Present by Johanna Soler, teacher Margarita Arboleda. Good morning. Today we are going to talk about a fundamental topic for everyone. Welcome to the workshop, Collaborate Work. This is a work modality in which projects or tasks are developed. We must interact and cooperate with each other. Synergies and benefits are created that help all parties. Collaborative work characteristics: personal responsibility. Each member is assigned tools to read the work. Characteristics is the fulfillment of common objectives. Second characteristic, the skills and characteristics of the team and variety should be used. Equitable participation. We all participation equality. The advantages of collaborative work. One, encourages innovation with collaboration, for example, the brainstorming environment. Improve communication, increase productivity, knowledge exchanges. We learn from each others. Reduce errors, promotes the values such as the solidarity, cooperation, teamwork, empathy, of respect. All participants work towards a common goal. I want to guide you progress. Remember, okay. If you want to work fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together. With this type of work, we witness and increase development in innovative and successful projects. Key to winning collaboration work. Encourage and assertive the communication. Do not be afraid of making mistakes. Let's work on creating a good work environment, generates business culture, define the roles and commitments. The truths and commitment of all must be fostered. Use a tool that facilitated work source and software. Thank you for your attention. I leave you brochure.